application of the dictionary. Now let me show you a daily life application of the dictionary that we use, how we can use dictionary in our daily life. We are going to solve one problem and we'll check that how it helps in our daily life. I will give the name problem number 22, where the statement says that save the information of a student in key value form by using dictionary. This is the required statement. I need to save the information of a student in key value form by using dictionary. So let's move ahead. Suppose this is my dictionary. The variable name is the student. This dictionary from here up to here has been saved with the name student. So whenever you want to access this dictionary, you need to call student only, this variable name. You don't need to call all this stuff. You simply call student, because this everything from here up to here is represented with the help of student. So student is the variable name, which is the dictionary name. These are the key values pairs. Pair 1, where key is name and Moein is the value. Pair 2, where address is the key and this is the value. Pair 3, where phone is the key and this is the value. Similarly, pair 4, where email is the key and this is the value. Pair 5, where course is the key and this is the value. Pair 6, where class hours is key and 4 is the value. So we have everything in key value pair form. So it is a proper dictionary. If you take the print of student, you will get this output. It will return the dictionary in the output in the key value pairs form. Key and value, key value, key value, key and value, key value, key value. So everything is in the key value pairs form. But what if I want to take the print of student of name? It will specifically give me the value of the name. Name, what is name? Name is the key. So it returns Moein here. Look, print of student of name. Name inside the quotes. What is name? Name is the key here. So when you run it, it will return the value. What is the value for the name? The value for the name is Moein. Therefore, you will see Moein in the output. Moein in the output. But don't forget, you have to put student here. What is student? Student is the variable name. Whatever name you have it here, you have to put there. If it is student, you have to put student. If it is A, you have to put A. If it is B, you have to put B. It depends on the name of this variable. So print of student of name will return Moein. But what if I take a print of student of email? It will return the whole email address. This time I took print with the student of email. So email is the key. Email is the key. And Moeinuddin online instructor at gmail.com is the value. So it will return its value. The value of Moein is Moein online instructor at gmail.com. This will be the value. It returns the value for the email. What is email? Email is the key. Now to use get method, get function method. Let me try get function method here. If you take the print of student.get of name, it will return exactly the same output. Last time we had only print of student of name inside the closed bracket, inside the closed brackets. If you take the print of student of name inside the closed brackets, it will return Moein. But we can also use another method, which is the get method. Get method. In the get method, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the print of student and then dot get of name. Get of name. What is name? Name is the key. When you run it, it will return the same value Moein. So there is no difference in the output. Whether you use the get function or do it without the get function, it will return the same output. It is just a different way to get the output. Similarly, if I take the print of student.get of course, the value of the course is artificial intelligence. Therefore, it will return artificial intelligence. I'm using get function here. What is course? Course is the key and its value is artificial intelligence. So when you run it, it will return artificial intelligence in the output. Now look, don't forget student.get. What is student? Student is this variable name. If it is student, you have to put student here. If it is A, you have to put A. If it is X, you have to put X here. X.get. Since the name of the variable is student, therefore I have student.get. The value for the course is artificial intelligence, so this will be the output for this print function. Mutability. Now let me check the mutability of this dictionary. From the mutability we mean changing to the dictionary. How we can do changes to the dictionary. So let's check it. Look, I have the same dictionary here with the name student. Now if I put student of name equals to Hamza, it will replace Moein by Hamza. Simply put Hamza inside the quotes. But don't forget, we have to put name inside the close brackets with the student. Student is the dictionary name. Now if I take print of student, it will return this output. This time the value of name is Hamza. It is no more Moein. Moein has been changed with the name Hamza. So name is the key, Hamza is the value. The new value for the name is Hamza. This process, this changing process is called the mutability of the dictionary, where we can do changes to the dictionary. Here we can change some parameters and can be replaced by some other parameters. This changing process is called the mutability of a dictionary. Now let's check how we can add an extra key value. We checked the mutability. We have also checked that how to find the value. But now let me check that how we can add an extra key value. If I need to add an extra key value to the dictionary, how I can do that? So let me show you the process here. I need to put student of venue equals to Air University. Look, I have 6 key value pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to add a 7th key value pair. I want to add another extra key value pair. So to do so, I'm going to write student of venue inside the close brackets and then equals to Air University inside the quotes. Now when you take the print of student, it will return this output here. There you go for the new key value pair. I have added another key value pair, which is venue. Venue is the key, Air University is the value. So now I have 7 key value pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because I have added another extra key value pair to this dictionary. That's how we can add extra key value pairs to the dictionary. With the help of this line, student of venue equals to Air Universities.